This video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a multi-tool from the company NexTool. This is their Flagship Pro. I've already went over their Night and I think their little Mini, and I've been putting this one to the test over the past 6 months, and I just kind of like wanted to do a quick video for y'all. So it comes in a very nice case, has a belt mount there, but honestly, I just leave this in my van at all times. That way I have the knife with me, and let's just open it up. Let me show you. So inside the package here, you're going to get a little set of instructions. It breaks down what all of the things are. So let me just kind of like walk y'all through this thing real quick. Number one, this thing feels very premium, very good feeling in your hand. You can see how it's ergonomically made right there with the curves on it. No real sharp edges for tearing up your pants or anything like that if it's down in your pocket. Nice belt clip. And you could see there was a little bit of rust showed up on mine after maybe 2 or 3 weeks of using it. I have had this thing down on the coast and had it in salt water, by the way. So that was probably not the best idea not to wash it. But you know what? The thing's still holding up great. So let's start going over it. So open it up, very quickly open. You get the needle nose pliers there. You get regular pliers in the center and some wire cutters. These have a replaceable like cutter on it. So if you do break that cutter, you can order a new one from NexTool and replace that cutter. You have a wire stripper that's down in the corner. So you have 4 things just on the wire pliers there. You have a little ruler that's right here. Looking at the back of this, this is looks like a 3-inch ruler or 7-centimeter ruler on the back of the scissors there. Notch cut out right there. Very nicely made saw blade. I could cut like a lot with that. I love these types of saw blades, and it has a very premium feel to it. And by the way, this has a locking. Look how that's locked. To unlock it, I gotta mash it in like that and then close it up. Phillips head screwdriver. Now this is something that, you know, I torqued mine very hard and I broke mine, but I don't blame the knife because, I mean, I was like, it was a stuck-in screw that had corrosion around it, and I actually broke the screwdriver. So I was a little disappointed in that. It can be replaced. I just haven't had the time to mess with it, and honestly, you know, it still works. I can still use it like this and get down in there, and it has enough bite to actually work. Now, this one right here does not have a lock on it. So on the inside's a quick cutting hook for like skinning or something like that. And then opening this one right here, there's a wire stripper on the inside, a can opener that works extremely well. This one has the flathead screwdriver on it, so that's a bottle top opener there. And then you got over here on this side, you have the actual kind of blade itself, and it's a very high quality blade, everybody. I was very impressed with this blade. I was able to like shape things with it, and once again, like the saw, the blade and the saw are the only 2 locking things on this. See how I cannot close it until I mash? Pretty innovative little lever right there. This looks to be about a 3-inch blade right there. And then check this out. On the back, you see that little dot right there? That's a glass breaker. If I need to break a window out and shatter a window, has a little like emergency glass breaker on it. This is something that I've used way more than I thought. These are the actual scissors of this thing. Check out how premium these scissors are. Look at the size of these scissors. I've cut wire and I've cut all kinds of things with these scissors. This has been the best pair of scissors. I'm just going to say the best pair of scissors ever to be on a multi-tool. They have a cutout for your hand right there, and they work extremely well. The only thing that I wish I could change, I don't like how sometimes it pinches. If you look down in there, you got to be careful not to pinch the kind of the fat part of your hand right here. So because of the way it is, you want to hold your finger kind of with a good gap. If you hold it kind of low like you would a normal pair of scissors, you will definitely pinch a blood buster up on your hand. Very impressive on how well these work. So yeah, this is something I think everybody should have in their toolbox. Have them on them at all times because I use this thing way more than what I thought I would use it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the NexTool Flagship Pro. See you all in the next video.